welcome back to the channel. It's me, Starbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Starbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I'm so glad you asked. We are making boom, boom, hamburger monster. By Finn. I'm seeing if I got it. Look at that. Oh my god, look at it. So cute. So neat. Huh? Alright, so it's here. We're finally here. You see that? You see that asking for multiverse pickles? Guess what we got? Guess what we got? It says 4 to 5, but I cut up a bunch because I'm just gonna eat the rest of them because pickles, you know? But yeah, that's what we're making today. Thank you, Rat, again so much for the suggestion. I'm excited to try this out. I haven't made a burger in a hot minute. I used to make a whole bunch of them whenever I was younger, but I just don't do that anymore, so I'm worried I'm gonna like undercook it, I'll be honest. I'm gonna mess it up. Or I won't, and it's gonna be perfect because it's a Borgor, you know? We have a whole thing right up here, and then we have something from Prismo. Prismo the homie. All right, and there are only 7 steps, so that's cool. So let's go ahead and see what it says right up here. One time me and Jake were goofing around making hamburger sandwiches, just like noticing you could keep adding ground beef and make a bigger and bigger hamburger. But then the life-giving Magus came by, and he accidentally touched the burger. That gave the burger horrible, unnatural life, and then it went on a totally bonkers rampage. I had to slay that burger. I didn't feel great about it. That burger was our monster son. But it had to be put down. Once it was slain, it still tasted great. Well, that's good at least. Here's how to make it. Don't add magic. Magic didn't really add any flavor, just hassle. Sounds like my life. Sorry. But yeah, there it is. Dang. Birthed the sun and killed them all in the same paragraph. Like the Greek gods or something, I don't know. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what Prismo says. Which I also like how his writing is here because like, because he's Prismo, like the all-being mother guy. I don't know. I was gonna say mofo, but he's not really a mofo. He's just a cosmic being. So, but anyway. Hey, Prismo here, popping in from the future of this book. I have a great pickle recipe in here, and you would be a fool not to find those pickles with this burger. Okay, that's it. See you in side section on page 64. And we did! Wow! So yay! Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we have to do. Easy enough. Let's see how long it ends up taking. It's about 1 p.m. now, and it didn't take me too long to get everything all gathered, but we'll see how it goes. I forgot to erase the thing here. That's embarrassing. Alright, and here are all of the ingredients. Look at those pickles! You forgot the pickles! No, I did it right there. Wow. Mix the beef with my hands. Mustard, garlic. I did a lot of garlic actually. It was a little bit, and I kind of failed at the smashing of the garlic, but look, I tried. Whatever. Sweet relish, salt, and pepper in a bowl until the mixture is well combined. Shape the meat into a burger patty about 3/4 inch to 1 inch thick. This can be cooked either in a pan or over a grill at medium-high heat. You want to sear both sides for about 4 minutes apiece. Okay, my hands are gross. My name is Searbear, and every time I go into like a new, like when I raid into a new channel, they always say Searbear. Oh my god, I see why. Searing the burger. Sear. I get it now. Anyway, it's Searbear, but I totally understand, and I would read it the same way too, if I'll be totally honest. Alright, well that was interesting. About halfway cooking through the second side, place the slices of cheese on the hamburger patty so they melt while the burger finishes cooking. Remove the patty from heat and set aside, allowing to rest for 2 minutes. While the hamburger is resting, place the bun either in the pan or on the grill to toast for about a minute. Place the burger on the casserole and top it with pickle slices and ketchup to your liking. Okay, some of buns are too big for this. Why did I try to make them even size, bro? Okay, hold on. I got like an idea for this. Alright, alright, alright. We're looking good. Dude, hold on. It's putting too much weight on one side. Okay. Okay, we're good. What a masterpiece. Alright, and here's the reveal. It's so uneven. Why did I make them the same size further? I don't know, but I did check the internal temperature. We're good. I won't die of food poisoning. Hell yeah. So, here's the burger. Look at that. Careful, careful. It wasn't the most foolproof plan. Doesn't it look crazy? Dude, I think I'll just try the slider part on top. But the bottom part has the chest. I don't know. Okay, here's the burger. I'm ready to try the burger. I didn't put any lettuce in it because I'm a barbarian. I'm just kidding. This is the best it's gonna get. I'm too lazy to do the rest of it. I'm sorry. I also was going to make tots. Forgot about that too. So it isn't gonna look like the picture. But I mean, it kind of does. It kind of does. Okay, anyway, I need to eat it. Let's try this. Borgor. I'm gonna try with the pickle. Oh my god, it tastes so good though. Damn, that burger tastes good. Damn. Damn, I was so hungry too. Yep, 10 out of 10 for me. I'm gonna eat more of these with it. Oh my god. Hell yeah. Burger. Yep. Alright, so with that being said, there we go. There's the monster burger. There's the monster burger. So I guess that's all I got for you guys today. I don't know why I have it like this. Whatever. Anyway, is it kind of uneven? And whatever. Hey guys, it's me. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. What did you guys think of it? Do you guys like burgers? Is there like a specific burger you like to eat? Have you guys tried like Impossible burgers? I think they're pretty good too. I'm gonna try like any burger. I'm a burger enjoyer. Sure, let's go with that. Do you guys have like a favorite kind of burger? My top 2 burgers are like ones with like an egg. That's just so fucking good. And then what is it? Oh, mushroom Swiss. And jalapeno burgers. Especially like from Whataburger. Sometimes Whataburgers hits or it doesn't. No, their burgers always hit. Their fries are always a hit or a miss. But when it's like both, yeah. Anyway, thank you again, Rhett, for the suggestion. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time Cookbook, here are a list of options right here for you guys. Woohoo! Pasta it if you would like. Next we got nachos. We have Lich King poppers. I love poppers. Love poppers. And honey energy drink, which I'm kind of curious on that one since I don't make too many drinks either. So, but Yeah, that's it. I don't know. I feel a little Akis now. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. Don't forget to leave a like and or subscribe or whatever the thing is. Like I said, there are options for me to make stuff from the Adventure Time cookbook. You can let me know what you want me to make in the comments down below. If there are other cookbooks that you want me to try, please let me know. The other cookbooks I am currently going through are the Gudetama Cookbook and the Final Fantasy XIV cookbook. So if there's anything that you guys want me to make from those cookbooks, how many times am I going to say cookbook? If there's anything that you guys want me to make from those cookbook, please feel free to let me know as well. I do have options on the videos on what to try from there as well, if there's anything that you're curious on. So yeah, I don't know, I guess that's it. I thank you guys again so much for stopping by and watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, or not, whatever, you're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye! With my hands. I did a lot of garlic actually. It was a lot of it, and I kind of failed at the smashing of the garlic, but look, I tried. Whatever. Alright, I think that's well combined. Three-fourths. Okay, my hands are gross. Okay, so the buns are too big. Alright, and here's the reveal. It's so uneven. Why did I make them the same size, brother? I don't know, but I did check the internal temperature. We're good. I won't die of food poisoning. Hell yeah.